Not sure where to change your website's colors? I'm Poch from Intention Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. So we're going to start here from the dashboard, and you're going to want to locate the studio menu. From the studio menu, go to website. From websites here on the submenu, you have colors. Just click on colors. And there you have it. So you have the color theme menu for your website. So you can change the background, header, top notes, pre-header, header, top menu. So all of these items can be just changed, and you just select the color you'd like to change and then pick the color as well. If you want to see more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your in-store or online sales quickly, visit our website at intentionallycreative.com.